Hey everyone, Gil here at GrayManPrepping. This episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about intimate relations. Yeah, but before we get into that, just want to take this moment to remind you, if you haven't had a chance to subscribe to the video channel yet, please go ahead and click the subscribe button down below, then ring the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of these educational videos. Alrighty, so intimate relations. What am I talking about? Well, I'm talking about you and your significant other and the things you need to do to make sure that your intimate relations don't have secondary side effects. Now, since this is a prepping channel and we're talking about possible things going on, the end of the world as we know it, or a big major disaster, whatever, there are times you need to use this brain to take care of things at hand, and you can't let your feelings run amok. One of the things that historically has been proven is that during the big blackouts and stuff, usually 9 months later, there's a spike in births. So in a stressful situation, partners tend to gravitate towards one another and get more intimate than they normally do, and sometimes their emotions get the best of them. So plan out for these unusual circumstances by having the proper things around to help you take care of preventing unwanted pregnancies. So I'm going to let you figure it out from there, but sit down with your significant other and talk about intimate relations in emergency situations, and what you do want to do and what you don't want to do, and what results you do and don't want to have to come from it. All right. So as always, stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep on adding to your preps: water, food, other supplies, medical and preventive supplies. And you want to make sure you're ready for anything.